question is what's coming next going to influence our travel conditions and our vitamin D intake there on top of that as well. All right, let's look at temperatures. These are not this morning's temperatures, thankfully. We had single-digit lows yesterday. Coldest morning we've seen so far this season, coldest temperatures in general. In fact, it's the coldest since Christmas Eve of 2022, when the mercury got down to 5 degrees. So that 8-degree reading, quite chilly, coldest on a January 27th in 86 years. Temperatures this morning considerably milder. We're at 28 degrees. The big reason is we haven't had a big change in the air mass. It's just we've got some cloud cover that's moved in and helping to keep the Earth from releasing its heat too quickly. We're still below freezing, but it's a nice bump up in our numbers. In some cases 10, 15, even close to 20 degrees warmer than we were this time yesterday. There's the cloud cover on the satellite and radar, and this is not a permanent part of our day. We'll need some sun to continue that melting we were just talking about, but clouds are covering the state of North Carolina for the most part. We'll start to get some thin spots later this morning, and then we'll see much more sunshine developing a little bit later in the day today. So your forecast starts with some extra clouds. High temperatures continue to improve. We had a high of 33 degrees 2 days ago. It was 35 yesterday. Now we're up to 37 degrees. West-southwest winds at 5 to 10, more sun for the afternoon, but still cold. Temperatures are typically close to 50 for this time of year. 37 from Mount Airy to Elkin. West winds at about 5 miles per hour. A mostly sunny day once these early clouds begin to clear. Mountain temperatures, your target temperature is the upper 20s this afternoon, high around 28. West winds at about 10 to 15 miles per hour going forward. All right, look at the big picture here first. You see all these purples and pinks across the Great Lakes, the Northeast into Canada. It's a huge pool of Arctic air that's just kind of sitting there. That's going to start to descend southward given some time. In fact, we're going to kind of feed off of that cold pool of air several times over the next couple of weeks. So the 2-week outlook for temperatures colder than average. And I just mentioned our normal high is about 50 degrees for this time of year. So we're going to be colder than that. You can see that frigid pool occasionally just dips to the south. And the key is it's going to dip south this weekend. What happens when the jet stream dips like this, when it rounds and brings down that cool air and kind of rounds Florida and comes back up the coast, it often spawns an area of low pressure, a storm, so to speak, and then moves up the coastline. This could develop into a nor'easter. It could move out to sea. There's a lot of places this can go. For one, it really is going to depend on the shape of that trough. Is it broad? Is it kind of tight and narrow? But the upper level winds follow that, and these are the steering winds for storms as they develop. So a couple of things we need to keep in mind going forward for this weekend. It depends very much where this low develops and when it develops, and then where those steering winds are positioned, because the track of this storm is going to be very important to who sees what this weekend. So we are forecasting a decent chance that we could see a coastal storm develop. Here's one particular model. You can see there's plenty of cold air around. The moisture is offshore in this particular track. If it's close enough to the shore, we could see some decent snow across the state of North Carolina. If it shoots more east-northeast, then it may start to, and it develops a little bit later, we won't see as much. And it will start to pull away in the eastern part of the state. We'll see more. So there's a lot of details still left to be worked out with this. I am starting to increase in confidence that we get something out of this. The time frame for this would be sometime late Friday through about early Sunday. Late Saturday night or early Sunday morning seems to be the best window for this. It definitely looks wintry. And it actually favors all snow this time around. Icy weather doesn't really seem to be a part of this at all. The confidence for totals is very low. It depends on a lot of factors. There's going to be a sweet spot somewhere in the Carolinas that could get a big snow, but the models here are showing little snow, medium snow, and big snow for our area. So we're not quite there yet as far as that concerns. Sounds like a Goldilocks fairy tale. Getting some snow, yeah, we're expecting to see something out of this this weekend. So we'll watch for that. Snow chances now up to 50%. It's a cold weekend. Temperatures will be in the 20s. I think by Sunday, that early chance should get out pretty quickly as things stand now. And we stay cold, but with increasing temperatures early next week.